Once again, Lagunense, isang masigabong palakpakan sa Binyan Folkloric Dance Group. Again, we would also like to welcome again Lagunense, pasulubungan po natin ang masigabong palakpakan ng ating pong mga panauhing pangdagal. From the Embassy of the United States of America, we have Consul Scott Sternberg. We also have the presence of Senior Consular Specialist Leo Balenta. A big round of applause as well to the Senior Consular Specialist Assistant Alben Mercado. Once again, a big round of applause from the Embassy of the United States of America. Again, we also have the presence of Embassy of Russian Federation. We have Dmitry Green, Counselor. Palakpakan po natin siya, mga kababayan. A big hand as well from the Embassy of the Republic of India. Second Secretary of Political and Culture, Madan Gopal. A big hand as well, folks, to the Embassy of the Republic of Indonesia. We have Avi Divani Sari Harahap, the Minister Counselor from the Embassy of the Republic of Indonesia. We also have the presence of the Social and Cultural Affairs, Nurul Shafira Husna. We're so honored as well the presence of the interns from the Embassy of the Republic of Indonesia. Some of the students from the Indonesia, we have Al Fadlan Ramadani. Palakpakan po natin sa. We also have the presence of Geraldine Rainy Manurip. The presence of Alexander William Lenkei. And of course, Rasya Radaya Haryana. Again, Lagunense, palakpakan po natin ang ating pong mga bisita, ang ating mga panauhing pandangal mula po sa Embassy of the United States of America, Embassy of Russian Federation, Embassy of the Republic of India, Embassy of the Republic of Indonesia, and some interns from the Embassy of the Republic of Indonesia. Again, we are absolutely thrilled to see all of you here today, our honored guests, dedicated participants, exhibitors, and of course, our fellow Lagunense who continue to support local products and proudly celebrate our heritage. Again, as we wait for the official start of our program, feel free to take the moment, look around, and appreciate of a different delicacies products of our province of Laguna, and featuring the best of the best Laguna's agricultural products, local delicacies, and proudly homegrown innovations. Again, ladies and gentlemen, this is not just an ordinary exhibit. This is a celebration of identity, creativity, and community, proudly representing province of Laguna. And of course, folks, we should not forget to recognize, of course, one of the invited guests from the different sectors. Of course, our beloved guests. We also have Chef Michael Jovan Mike Sartuo III, aka Chef Tatong. Palakpakan po natin siya. We also have the presence of the founder of Slow Food Community Laguna. We have Chef Jel Salonga Datu. And Chef Kalel Demetrio from Liquido Maestro. We would also like to recognize and acknowledge the Regional Director from the Department of Tourism, Region 4A, Ms. Marites Castro. Isang masigabong palakpakan din po sa ating DTI Regional Operations Group, ASEC Leonila Baluyot. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here. And of course, our DTI Provincial Director, Mr. Christian Ted Tongohan. Palakpakan po natin ating mga invited guests. Maraming salamat po. And a huge applause from the East West Marketing Incorporated from the Philippine Hawaii Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Miss Evelyn Caranto. And of course, a support coming from the TESDA Laguna, the supervising, of course, TESDA specialist, Ms. Marites Caballero. And of course, we should not forget to recognize the presence of LRP Group Food Services Incorporated. Of course, may kababayan, Mr. Edward Mateo. And of course, we also like to recognize World Food Expo or WOFEX Farm Forward Initiatives, Mr. J.M. Antonio Joel D. Pascual. And of course, the Dean of the Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management from Far Eastern University, Manila, Dr. Harold Bernardo Bueno. Again, mga Loganense, bigyan po natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. Atin po silang mainit no tanggapin dito po sa ating lalawigan ng Laguna. And of course, we would also like to recognize the Seven Flames, Chef Z. Jacinto, Weller, Chef Z. Jacinto, and Chef Weller Rosales, Chef Lexine Corpus, Chef Fernan Estacio, Chef Richard Gomez, and Chef Mac Dowell Labrador. Mga kababayan, maligayang pagdating sa ikatlong araw ng ating selebrasyon ng Anilag Festival Level Up 2026 at ating pong pasalubungan ng masigabong palakpakan ang ina ng ating mahal na probinsya, ang may gobyernong may solusyon, Honorable Governor Sol Aragones. Narito po tayo mga kababayan sa ating third day of celebration of Anilag Festival Level Up 2026 at narito na po sa ating bulwagan ang ating pinakamamahal na ina ng ating probinsya. Bigyan po natin ang masigawang palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan, Governor Sol Aragones.
So ngayon, nandito po tayo ngayon. Sino-showcase po natin ang masasarap na pagkain. Pakita natin ang setup. Direct, pakita natin ang setup. Ang ganda, oh. Setup, nakikita niyo po ngayon ang tawag dito hapagkainan, no? Dito po sa Laguna, pambihira ang sarap ng mga pagkain dito. Iikot ko po kayo. Maraming salamat na nakalibre pa ako ng tableya dito ah. Thank you, thank you. Pabigay po natin. Ay, free taste. O sige, samahan niyo ako. May free taste kami. Okay. So hanggang kailan tayo dito? Hanggang 7 p.m. Yung mga nanonood po sa atin ngayon live, hanggang 7 p.m. pwede ho kayong pumunta dito. Tampok ang napakasasarap na pagkain. Alam nyo, itong tabliya, itong tsokolating ito, pakita natin to. From Nagcarlan, suman na may tabliya, dito po sa Laguna.